Connect with nature and elements. Earth, water, fire, air, ether. Unpack their strengths within you. Within every woman there is a wild woman. Raw, unpolished, free, sacred, and intuitive. This primal power is waiting to be released and celebrated. Free your nature, emotions, voice, sexuality, to be authentic. Accept your shadow part. Peel away your insecurity, shame, suppressed anger, society roles, until you find yourself naked in the embrace of nature. Then we will embrace our beauty and power in the safety of the Sisterhood. Identify yourself beyond the physical body and mind.